Hi guys, so the product I got for this Black Friday is iPhone. Okay, that's an iPhone I got this time. This is K and welcome to K Ventures. Okay, so it came with an iPhone. I got a screen guard and there is an additional $70 gift card from Apple Store. So this is Black Friday deal that I got a phone plus carrier plan. So it's iPhone 15 Pro,
128 GB natural titanium.
yeah, that's the one, and I'll unbox it now.
Yay! That's the phone.
That's the 15 Pro natural titanium. So what typically a Black Friday is the start of the shopping season for the Christmas. So it usually comes the Friday after the Thanksgiving. So this year it came on November 24th and it's followed by Cyber Monday, followed by Cyber Week. So all it means is the retailer wants the shoppers to continue shopping. If someone is waiting for a good deal and watching the deals throughout the year, this is the best time to buy. Typically the deals would be on the electronic product, your phones, your SIM cards, your plans, your home internet, or any big products that you want to buy but you want to save on bucks as well as get the products. Black Friday is the right time. Like I got this, it came with a phone and an additional $70 Apple Store credit gift card. So usually Apple doesn't give gift cards just like that, right? So just to make you spend to buy a phone, but I was in need of a phone, so I wanted a phone. Additionally, I got a $70 gift card, and additionally I got another Apple product as well, and that's for a surprise.
Okay, in the meanwhile, let's check the box contents. It also came with a USB C to C and the personalized message and the logo. Yes. Designed by Apple in California.
I'm not going to provide the technicalities of this phone because I'm not a tech reviewer. I can just show you how the photo differences are in the three cameras and some other cool features, like they have an action button added in this new device.
Okay, let's set it up.
So what it's doing is currently transferring everything from my Android phone to iOS phone. So it's just few clicks. I never knew this was so easy. It just moves everything from your Android to iOS through an app I downloaded here, Move Chats to iOS, Move Apps to iOS, and everything is being moved. So right now my apps, messages, contacts, what other option? It has even WhatsApp. Everything can be moved from your Android completely to iOS. So what would companies get out of it, giving us deals, right? So for example, now Apple gave me a $70 gift card, which I'm going to spend again in the Apple Store only. So whenever I wanted to purchase, let's say an AirPods that's now costing $329, I will use this $70 gift card, but in return I'm also spending $250 of that.
So yes, the transfer is complete. It kind of took like 15 to 20 minutes time.
So it's pretty cool to migrate things actually. So what it does is it just asks you want to transfer from cloud or any other device or an Android device. So Android asks to download, it asks to download an app in Android, and then a code, and then it connects all your apps, chats, contact histories, even WhatsApp is being transferred to your phone.
Apple introduced the new Action button in iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max series. And what it does is it performs a specific set of actions when you long press the button.
What's the benefit for customers? If you want a product and you're waiting for it for a long time, this is the right time because you save on it as well and you own the product. The concept of savings differs from person to person. Some might be looking for a cheaper price phones, that's it, and some might be looking for normal price phones and a gift card or a store credit, and some might be looking for a phone plus carrier plan. So what do I mean by carrier plan is, say I'm a Bell or a Rogers customer. I'm the customer for them for a long time. Now what they do is, since you have a good loyalty with us, here is an offer for you. You can upgrade your device and then you get a plan on this particular discount. Or the second option is, if you are a different carrier customer, you can switch over to us. In return, we will provide you this much discount, like say $5 or $10 per month bill for up to 24 months.
So I did not download any single app yet, but everything from Android is being downloaded here. So one of the major disadvantages I read about this phone is the overheating. So it's been 15 to 20 minutes I've been using this phone for charging and setup. I can already feel the heat here. It's already getting heated up. But I also read on the news that in their new iOS update, it will be fixed. Let's hope.
Let's test the camera. This is the 12MP ultra-wide camera. It actually covers a larger area compared to the previous models. This is the 24mm main camera, 48 megapixel, 28mm, 35mm, and that's 2x telephoto and 3x telephoto 12MP cameras. The macro photography is actually improved in this version. And selfie camera. It's the 12MP Smart HDR5 True Depth camera.
So the camera settings, as expected, for video they have 4K 60 FPS and 1080 pixel at 60 FPS. Same way for slow motion, they have 1080 pixel at 240 frames per second. For cinematic mode, they are at 4K at 30 frames per second. And yeah, they like the usual options. You have high efficiency, most compatible, and you can say the photo modes in 12MP or 24MP. You can also say save in Pro, RAW, or resolution control. RAW max up to 48MP, max, Pro RAW 12MP, and then there is an Apple Pro resolution. HDR or lock. The notification center is really cool. For example, let's say if I'm recording, it shows a notification here instead of showing it on the screen. That's really cool. Okay, so that's the action button that was set up. Okay, hold to open, and again on notification it shows the camera button. Okay, let me hold. Okay, it opens the app. It's cool.
Yes, officially I'm switching from Android to iOS. After so long, after years and years. I have used iPhones, but that's not mine. It's either company's phone or friends or someone's phone. This is the first time I'm using an iPhone of my own. I was initially interested in iPhone 14 Pro, but when I went to the store, the difference between 14 Pro and 15 Pro was just $10. so why not? This phone I got through Freedom Mobile Network. The phone cost was $50 and the network cost was $50, $100. And when I say I got it for $0, it means that I do not have to pay anything for this year, which means my billing cycle is on January 10th. So all I wanted to pay is only on January 10th, not in this year completely. So I can use from November 24th till December 31st, but the billing period will be on January.
The only thing that bothered me is the front area where I showed you the notification where the camera, the proximity sensor is there. How would it appear when I watch videos in full screen? So I tried a video, and frankly it's not that bad. If the video is in regular position, it is not seen. Even if I zoom it, it doesn't look bad to me. It doesn't bother me.
So overall, I'm satisfied with the phone. It's a good switch for me from Android to Apple. I'll use it for a few more days and I'll post another update. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you up on next video.